The arrest of Rama Kankonkar, which I have learnt, is according to me totally illegal. The illegality arises from the registration of the FIR, which according to me is not tenable, and there should not have been an FIR. Apparently Rama Kankonkar made certain statements which have been taken, on the basis of which the FIR is registered. The right of freedom of speech is recognized in the Constitution. The right to protest is also recognized in the Constitution. There are many things that we may say, opposition may say, or dissenters may say, which may not be liked by the government, but that does not give a cause of action for the government to register FIR against every sentence or utterance made. And if it constitutes a defamation, then the person who is defamed has a right to move the appropriate court, but it is not a cognizable offence. To misuse the police machinery, to make out a cognizable case by hook or by crook, is reprehensible. I condemn this act. I also warn the police that whoever has done this registration of the FIR will have to face this in the court, as and when the matter is filed in the court, challenging the very FIR. The consequence of the quashing of the FIR will be that the arrest of Rama Kankonkar will be illegal. I will stand by Rama Kankonkar and for his community and ensure that the rule of law is followed and justice is done.